Hi guys, welcome to the Catway. So in this video, we are going to do our set of the day. So let us move ahead and check out the question. So we have a bar graph that's shown below that gives the average age in years of employees in the manufacturing, marketing, and maintenance department of BFI Electronics as on April of each of the 3 years, 2005, 6, and 7. In the given period, in each of the departments, one employee retired on attaining an age of 60, while in two of the three, that is, in all the three, there is one person who retired during this period at the age of 60, while in two of the three departments, an employee joined. No employee changed his department or quit his job. The joining of new employee or retiring of old employees can happen only on first April of an year. The ages of the two new employees who joined as on the 1st of April of the respective years of the joining were 30 years and 25 years. It was also known that each of the department had at least 4 and at most 10 employees during the period. Okay. So we have a few of the data given here. Okay. So what we have is that in all three departments in 1 year, there was a person who retired attaining the age of 60, whereas in two of the departments, we do not know which, there were two people who joined and their age was 30 years and 25 years respectively. Okay. At a time in a department, we should have at least 4 and at most 10 employees. Okay. So that is the condition that we have. Now we have to understand. Now you see, for any year when employee age 60 is retiring, you will not see an increase in the average age. Okay, you won't see an increase in the average age. Now you see the reason why you won't see an increase in the average age is because average is 34 है ना, average is 34, one employee decreased. The basics of average, if you remember, one employee decreased and he took away what? From the total sum he took away a value of 60. Average value was 34, he took away a value of 60. So that means there will be definitely a decrease in the average. Okay, it can never increase. Similarly, here from 31 to 32, the employee cannot retire because if the average age is 31, if one person goes and he takes away 60 from the total sum total of the ages, the average has to decrease. These are the basics of averages. Age is 47, it can never be 48 because 60 is gone. Average is 47, 60 is gone. Definitely there will be a decrease. All right, definitely there will be a decrease in the average. So that means in these three cases, from 2005 to 2006, the person cannot leave. 6 to 7% cannot leave. 6 to 7% cannot leave. Okay, so that means the is leaving. Person is leaving over here. Person is leaving over here, and person is leaving over here. So this is sure. Now, if you check that the person who newly joined, है ना? So let's say if a person of 30 years, let's say check with 30 years, if a person average age is 34, 1% increase and the sum of 30 increased. Okay, but because the average was 34 and the sum has increased only by 30, in the total average there will be a decrease. So not possible here. Same thing here also. It the sum is 30 that is getting added upon. Sum is 30. From here 31 is the average. If 30 is added to it, definitely the average will decrease by some points. Here also from 47 to 48 it will decrease. So now what we have understood is that the person who is leaving the department and the person who is joining the department, that is only going to happen in the case where there is a decrease in the average. Okay, where there is a decrease in the average. Now if it is not clear that how did the average increase, so you see in 2005 there were a certain number of people, the age increased by 1 years. Okay, their age increased by 1 years, everybody's age increased by 1 year. So you see an increase of 1 year in the average. Every person's age increased by 1 year, you see an increase of 1 year in the average. Every person's age increased by 1 year, you see an increase of 1 year in the average. So there was no change in the number of people whenever there has been an increase in the average. Okay. Now what we are sure about is that the decrease happens, decrease of 60 years and increase of 30 or 25, whatever is going to happen in any of the department, that is going to happen only in the year where there is a decrease in the average. Okay. Now we cannot determine it directly, we have to make cases for all of them. Okay, we have to make cases from all of them. So luckily what we have is in manufacturing and marketing sector, the initial average age is 35, the initial average age is 35, and for maintenance sector the initial age is 49. So we will have to calculate, do the workings on these. Okay, so what we will have to do is first we will have to find out the total age for different number of people. Like if there are 5 people, there are 6 people, there are 7 people, we have to find the total. We have to remove 60 we have to take a case where we add 30 wala person, we have to take a case where we take 25 wala person. Okay, and then we have to see that which case goes with which year and with which department. So this is something that we have to check upon. Okay, now we'll be only be as I said now that we'll be checking that what is the total when number is 5 and what is the total when number is 10. We'll check all the values if including 5 and 10 in between. It has said the department had at least 4 member. Why aren't we checking that when the total members are 4? The reason we are not checking that is because if let's say in the initial year in certain year the total number is 4 and the person in the department in which the person is leaving and no one is joining, so the total number of people will reduce to 3, and that case is not possible. So that's why we'll only be calculating for the values from 5 to 10, that is 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 and 10. So what we'll do is we'll be making a table first. Okay, so we can have the same table for manufacturing and marketing because the average is the same. Okay, so let us calculate it. Manufacture and marketing. Okay, so what are the columns that we have? We have normal. Okay, here we'll be calculating the total. Then we have when the person retires. Okay, 25-year-old join wala case, 25-year join. Now these are different cases, and we have 30-year wala join. Okay, I'll explain it to you. You'll be getting a gist of what we are going to do soon. Okay, so let's say we are talking about the manufacturing and marketing sector. Now what will be the average age that you will be taking? See, in 2006 the average age was 35, and in 2006 the average age was 35. In 2007 the average age was 30. Okay, so the people who were originally over there, the whose age was 35, when they go into this 2007 wala year, the age becomes 36, and in 2007 the change is going to happen, and the change is going to happen in 2007. So average age we will not be taking 35 for calculating the total. Will the average age that we will be taking for calculating the total will be 36, because that changes are happening in 2007. So the average is increased from 35 in 2006 to 36 in 2007. So the total will be calculating on the age of 36. Okay, so if there are 36, average age is 36, there are 5 people, we have the total as 180. ठीक, there are 30, or let me write it in thoda sa small, है ना, 36 people to 36 average age, whereas 5 people total is 180. 36 people, 36 age, 6 people total is 260. When there are 7 people, the total is 252. When there are 8 people, the total is 288. When there are 9 people, the total is 324. All right, 324. Whereas when there are 10 people, the total is are 360. Okay, the total is 360. Okay, now you see that when the person retires, the age becomes 120, there becomes 4 people, and the average becomes 30. Okay, average becomes 30. In this case, now the average age would be 156, whereas we will have 5 people. So this case is not possible. Okay, this case is not at all possible. Take, because you here but we will have to calculate, like we will have to calculate all the values, because it is possible that after the person is 60 who left, they joined the person whose age was 35 or 30, and things can balance themselves out. Okay, things can balance, but only pre-retires wala case will not be happening here. Okay, similarly the total becomes 192 when the person leaves, total number of people becomes 6, and the average age becomes 32. After from 288, if 60 percent retires, a total of 60 is gone, remaining will be 228 with 7 people, and no average will be there, because average is an integer. It has been said in the question. Take, here it would be the total would turn out to 264 with 8 people, and average age would go to 33. And here we will have 300 people with average 300 total, sum total with 9 people, and we will have not have a average age. Okay, now if the 25-year-old joins, the total will become 145. We will have 5 people, and the average would be 29. Similarly, here the total would be 181 and there will be 6 people. It will be 217 with 7 people and average would be 31. It would be 253 with 8 people, no average. It will be sorry guys, it will be 289 with 9 people and no average, and here it will be 325 with 10 people and no average. Okay, whereas the case in which a 30-year-old joins, let's see what will happen. This 30-year-old join, it will not, the working will not be on 145, remember that, because either a 25-year-old is joining or a 30-year-old is joining or no one is joining. So only we are joining, taking the cases that only if there was a case only where P retires, so these were the would have been the values. If P retires and 25-year-old joins, these would have been the final values. If P retires and 30-year-old joins, these will be the final values. So you have to take, there are 3 cases which we are covering together. Take, so if a 30-year-old joins on in 120, we'll have total as 150 with 5 people and average would be 30. Take, here it would be 186 ka total with 6 people, average would be 31. We will have 222 people total with 7 people. We will have 258 ka total with 8 people. We'll have 294 ka total with 9 people, and we will have 330 ka total with 10 people, and the average would turn out to be 33. Now the same thing we will have to calculate for the maintenance department. Okay, we'll have to calculate it for the maintenance department. So maintenance department, let's check it out. We have, you will be using the headings of these one only. Okay, we'll be using the headings of those. Hai na? Okay. So here the age was 49, right? The age was 49. Calculating in 2006, the average is turned to 50 because everyone turned 1 year older. Average turned out to be 50. So we'll be calculating on 50. So average is 50. If there are 5 people, the total turns out to be 250. Average is 50. There are 6 people. Total is 300. 7 people. Total is 350. 8 people. Total is 400. 9 people, total is 450, and there are 10 people and the total will be 500. All right, now when one person retires, the total would reduce to 190 with 4 people and no average. Here it will turn to 40 with 5 people, average 48. Here it will turn to 290 with 6 people and no average, 340 with 7 people and no average, 390 with 8 people and no average, and 440 with 9 people and no average. Okay, now if in the same case 25-year-old old joins, it will be 215 with 5%, average age would be 43. Here it would be 265 with 6% and no average. It would be 315 with 7% and the average would be 45. Here it would be 365 with 8%. It would be 415 with 9% and it will be 465 with 10%. Okay, now if a 30-year-old joins, so it will be 220 with 5 people and average would be 44. We have 270 with 6 people and average 45. We have 320 with 7 people and no average, 370 with 8 people and no average, 420 with 9 people and no average, 470 with 10 people and average 47. Okay, so this is the table that we have. Now we have cases where there are 5 people in the industry, in the factory, in a particular department. We have the case if the in that particular department only P retires, so we have that case. We also have the case if P retires and 25-year-old joins, we have that case too. If P retires and then a 30-year-old joins, this is the final values that we are going to have. So we have all the cases made for all the departments. Now you see one thing, how we will be determining ki bhai kaun sa case we will be taking, है ना? How will we determine that? So you see that for maintenance, you can see that the average has been reduced from 49 to 47, है ना? Now you see, just a second guys. Okay, so now you see that in maintenance department, if only P retires, है ना? If P retires and nobody joins, in maintenance if P retires and nobody joins, है ना? So only possible value that we can have is 48 ka average. But what do we need? 47 ka average. So the case that in which P retires, only P retires and nobody is joining is not going to happen in maintenance. Okay, if P retires and a 25-year-old joins, we have possible averages of 43 and 45. So that means these two cases we cannot take because we need the average of 47. Now take the case where P retires, है ना, P retires and a 30-year-old joins. What are the possible options? We can have an average of 44, we can have an average of 45, or we can have an average of 47. Now what did we require? We required an average of 47, है ना. So the case in which P retires, है ना, the case in which P retires and a 30-year-old joins is going to take place in maintenance, है ना, and with 10 employees in the beginning. With 10 employees in the beginning. Now we have two cases left. We have two departments left, that is manufacturing and marketing. In one department there is going to be P retires, in one department it is going to be person retires and a 25-year-old joining. All right, now you see what do we need. Now you see what do we need. So in manufacturing, in marketing we need from 35, we need a average of 31, whereas in manufacturing we need from 35 to 30. So let's check it out, what are the possible options for 30 and what are the possible options for 31. And these we cannot go into this because 30-year-old joining has already been taken. So we'll have to check for the case of 31 ka average only in P retires or P retires plus 25-year-old joins, है ना. So in P retires, what do we have? We have 30 ka average, we have 32 ka average, and we have 33 ka average. That means we will get that in 25-year-old. 25-year-old we have joining, we have 29 ka average and 31 ka average. The 31 ka average thing is what we were looking for. That means 31 ka average wala thing will be happening in marketing. That means when a person retires and 25-year-old joins is going to take place in marketing. Now, if that takes place in marketing, that means marketing will be having 7 people in the beginning. Okay, that means the other case, that is where the average has come to 30, has to take place in only when the person retires, and you can see this happens when there were 5 employees, and this one will be going to the manufacturing department. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear. Okay, now what we have to do, so what we can say is that we can make a table, है ना, we can make a table छोटा सा. We have the department, we have number of employees, है ना, employee retired in, employee retire, employee joined, age of new employee. So we have manufacturing, we have marketing, we have maintenance. Take number of employees we calculated in manufacturing. Manufacturing, when we considered the case in which there is only an employee retirement and the number of employees initially were 5. Take similarly for marketing there was 7 wala case, and in maintenance we have 10 wala case. Take employee retires in 2007. For manufacturing, you see it is happening in this year 2007, employee retires. For marketing and maintenance, employee retirement happened in, you can see, 2006. Okay, now we have employee joined in. Okay, so no employee joined in manufacturing. In marketing the employee will join in 2006 itself, and here it will join in 2006 itself. Okay, now age of the employee, there was no employee joining here. 25 age wala joined in marketing and 30 age wala joining manufacturing. We have calculated it at the back. We can solve the questions now. To which department does the new employee who joined at age of 25 years belong? So we can say that marketing. The number of employees in manufacturing department as on May 20, 2006. So manufacturing department we are talking about. In 2006, there were 5 employees. Okay, there were 5 employees because the change happened in 2007. To which department does the new employee who joined at the age of 30 years belong? So 30 years wala joined the department of this maintenance. Okay, so the correct option will be option number 3. So I hope the set is clear. If not, you can contact me directly. Thanks for watching the video, guys.